All right, what's going on, everybody? Quick video lesson. So, I'm gonna go over the two trades I held over the weekend. I was looking for gap ups, DF, LYF. Got a little gap up and just could not get a sell for some reason. I had my sell sitting at 110 and got 100 shares filled out of my 1,000, and then had it sitting at 109. We're on the bid 108, and it just could not get filled. Wouldn't fill whatsoever. It washed out down to 95. I sold at 97, which was way lower than what I wanted to sell at. Still not terrible, but and then it ended up bouncing right back and making a top here at 118. But yeah, just couldn't get a sell off. Really was really pissed off this morning about that. I don't know what the deal was. I almost called TD Ameritrade and asked him what the deal was with that, because I mean I should have got filled up here, 108, 109, 110, but I didn't. So that sucked. HYSR. This, it shows that in the past it doesn't really have gap ups. You did here a little bit, but usually red days follow. Besides, like these run ups here, these three. If you look in the past, like first green day here, it gapped up a little bit, did like the same thing as it did today. Here, red day. So it just couldn't keep going. I gave this one some time. I ended up selling at 12.8. That's what I had my stop at. Good thing I did, because for some reason I always, if I see something washing out, I'm trying to sell, and I'm just, knowing me, if I would have held on to this, I would have sold down here at the bottom. I'm not patient enough to wait for some kind of bounce. I'm just too worried, I guess. So yeah, I got a small gap up, but then just could not push any higher. Just downside immediately as soon as the market opened, and then once it cracked this bottom. So that was just another kind of a shitty play. That I ended up, I was up like $200 on both of them, and so it just sucks to be green and then wake up Monday morning to them both gapping up, being up $200 unrealized, and then shitting the bed market open. It's just terrible. And then so I took a snipe on ZOM. I know I don't trade listed plays, but this was a breakout. It was up a lot. It was up like over 100%. And I took the high of day break here at 96.4. And I was actually going to sell here at 99 when I saw that it could not break $1. I decided to just be patient, and I was hoping that it would hold this like 92, 93-ish, and or at least high of day. I was hoping it would hold high of day, and at least it would hold around 93. And it just ended up cracking, and I stopped out at 93. Just a small loss, only $18, so it's nothing. I had a really small size. It was just up a lot. It needs to consolidate more. I mean, we'll see. It's just gonna have a hard time over that $1 level. Those whole numbers, half numbers, seem to be like psychologically key numbers to people, and so it was just one of those things. It just could not break above $1, and it looked like it really wanted to, too. So I really tried to give this a chance to break, and it just could not do it. And then I was just stubborn. Could have just taken it up here for a scalp. Decided to be patient, and it washed out. So that was basically it for today. I didn't really have any money to trade with today, so I took a small little snipe on ZOM, which just ended up not working out the way I wanted it to. The two OTCs I held overnight just didn't work out the way I wanted to. So just good to review them and come back the next day fresh, level-headed. Every day is a new day, so don't dwell on the past, or if you took a big loss the next day, just come back the next day, just refreshed, ready to go, as if nothing happened. Just make sure you learn from your losses and your mistakes, and just try to do better the next time. So I hope this video helped in any way possible. Like, comment, and subscribe if you enjoyed. Yeah, have a great night, everybody.